If you're choosing between Bazzite and ChimeraOS, watch this before you download, because this isn't just Linux gaming distro versus Linux gaming distro. It's maximum flexibility versus console-like simplicity. Bazzite is built on Fedora and focuses on creating a complete gaming experience with Steam, gaming tools, driver support, and desktop functionality already integrated. Many users like it because it can act as both a gaming system and a normal desktop OS. But here's the catch. With more features and flexibility comes more complexity. ChimeraOS takes a different approach. It aims to turn your PC into something closer to a console experience, booting directly into a gaming interface with minimal setup. That makes it especially appealing for living room gaming PCs and handheld gaming devices. The downside is that it's less flexible if you want a traditional desktop workflow. So, which one should you download? Choose Bazzite if you want a gaming OS that can also replace your normal desktop system. Choose ChimeraOS if you want a simple console-style experience focused mainly on gaming. Bottom line, for most users, Bazzite is the better overall choice because it combines gaming performance with everyday usability. But if your goal is a dedicated living room gaming machine that behaves like a console, ChimeraOS may actually be the better fit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.